what is the response that you are getting from people?
Unbelievable. It's probably the biggest I've got so far, so
Yeah.
very happy.
Exactly, and especially in all the fight sequences, how the sequence was carried and the way that you composed the music was extraordinary.
Thank you, thank you.
So congratulations, sir. మీరు ఏం చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
Good evening, Hyderabad. How was the movie? How was the BGM? How was Surya, Daya? How was everybody? So let's give a big shout to Vivek Atria who created it. He deserves it. And a big shout to Nani Garu for completing 16 years in Telugu cinema industry. So, this whole experience has been quite surreal. And I was looking at my WhatsApp message from Vivek this morning. The first message was, Jakes, is it a good time to call you? And scroll back, the most recent one, Jakes, we did it. That was the most recent message. And I know the amount of pain that Vivek took to get this whole project together right from the beginning. And his first narration to me was for about 6 hours. From there, I got into the characters and we were developing the soundscape for the movie from then on. And I must mention that it is a matter of time that you're going to see wonders from Vivek. Vivek, this is just a tip on the iceberg. I'm waiting for an Everest to come. And you are capable, man. I'm waiting for it. Thank you so much, Vivek, for having me on board. And I want to talk a few words about Nani Garu. Nani sir has been, it can be the most cliché opening line to say, Nani sir, I'm a big fan of your acting. Everybody is, right from Eega to whatever you have done. But what I observed is, not only in front of the camera, but behind the camera, the amount of work that he does. That's what has made him to be where he is today. Right from the selection of the project, right from assembling a good team of technicians, right from curating the director. I must mention here that in one occasion, Vivek got really sick and we had to submit the FMS copy. There was no time. And I've seen that Nani sir was like all over the place. He was going to Chennai, he was going to Kerala, and he was about to go to Bangalore. And he stopped that trip and he took care of the entire post at that time because Vivek was really sick. So right from 3:30 in the afternoon to the next day, 10 a.m., we had an all-nighter, we pulled an all-nighter, and that's how we had to submit the overseas copy. And this is one of the occasions. And so, congrats sir for hit 3. And if this is the formula that you're going to follow, you're going to have consistent 100 crore projects. There's no doubt about it. And good luck to you, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, Surya sir, enna sir pandriga. Now, I was talking to Surya sir after seeing the footage. I said, sir, the moment Daya came, the full Josh, the entire team of musicians who were working on it got full power. Then, from then on, that was the first theme we started for after the announcement teaser, it was S.S. Surya sir's theme that we composed. And what an aura, what an energy he brings. He brings the X factor to Saripada. And both of these stalwarts, great actors coming together, gave that kind of extra additional bonus to the movie. So happy to have worked with Surya sir, such a legend he is. Right from a very young age, I've been following his work. New is one of my favorite albums of his. Thank you, Surya sir. It was great pleasure having you. And Priyanka, with such grace and poise, you carried that role. It's a very subtle role to pull, but he had to. Even Vivek during the narration was saying how important her character was, and she pulled it with so much grace and beauty. So pleasure to work with you and Abhirami ma'am and all the rest of the cast, Sai Kumar sir, Aditi. The family felt like it was one of our own family. And I must mention at this point, I'm going to take another few minutes to mention about my team. The last month was a Herculean task. There's so many, pulling this movie together. We feel how did we even finish and get it ready for August 29th? It was because the movie, like you said, it was quite a hectic task. I want to mention my team, starting with Bharat, Ajay, Prakash, Balasarangan, Abhi Tom, Manish, Daniel, Akhil, Andrew, he's a musician from the US, Ilya, one from Kazakhstan, and my engineers Midun, Maneet, Godfrey, Don, Vincent, and all of them who are there. Thank you, Sing Cinema, the sound designers. Thank you, Surain, for the amazing mix. And last but not the least, thank you, DVV, for an amazing producer you guys are. I'm sure it is not by sheer luck that Danaya Garu ends up with great projects. It is a vision. There is a disciplined way of approaching the projects, right from getting the dates of that long vision for him to get the dates of Rajamouli Garu and Trivikram sir. He picks talent and the combination that he chooses, the artists and the directors. That vision is what got him to be sustaining in the industry for this long. I'm so happy I could work with this production house. Thank you so much for receiving Seripada Sanivaram. Thank you guys. Love you all.
Thank you, sir, and we love your music too. Thank you so much. Thank you. సినిమాలో ఒక్కొక్క టెక్నీషియన్ ప్రాణం పెట్టి వర్క్ చేశారు కాబట్టి ఈ రోజున సినిమా ఇంత సూపర్ డూపర్ సక్సెస్ సాధించింది.